Today it's the 5th of the month. We are camping the fish in the early morning. Within 5 minutes we got the fish.
Lines out, the first one.
Yeah.
Jumping at us.
He's close to the boat now. I think that these lines are that's right, sir. This is the first fish in today. This is our second fish. You can see the Barracuda on the line this side.
Seems to be our lucky draw today.
Yeah.
Alright, today's March the 5th. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We came out here in about 7. The wind has changed quite a bit, and we've got a bit of a rough weather, but it's still a lot of fun. Captain Charit on the controls, Captain Charit, and we have a little bit of a christening because we caught our first tuna. I've been fishing out here now for a year and a half, and we have never caught any tuna. So look at our little friend. He is very small, and if he wouldn't have swallowed the hook, we would have probably let him go. So our first tuna. Very good. Otherwise we've got a nice queen, a nice barracuda, and we're looking for more. Yeah, 30-pound line, and we have a fluorocarbon leader on it, and then a titanium steel single strand leader, also 30 pounds. And we're fishing on fish lures. So we're better going home. So we're back at the jetty. And here's our little fish. One barracuda, one queen and one small little tuna. So here's our barracuda. 9 pounds. You see, it's about 4.5 kilos.